Let's discuss some amazing turmeric benefits. Actually, we'll share 5 surprising uses of turmeric that you probably never knew about. You might know it as that vibrant yellow spice that adds flavor to your curry, but did you know it has some amazing health benefits too? Turmeric is truly a wonder spice. Let's get started and uncover how turmeric benefits can transform your health and daily life in some surprising ways. Alright, let's kick things off with our first surprising use of turmeric: improving digestive health. You might not know this, but turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various digestive issues. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help soothe your digestive system. One of the easiest ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet is by making turmeric tea. Simply steep fresh or dried turmeric root in hot water, and you've got yourself a soothing drink that can help reduce bloating and gas. Studies have shown that turmeric can even help with conditions like acid reflux and functional dyspepsia, making it a great natural remedy for those uncomfortable digestive problems. So, next time you're feeling a bit off, try reaching for a cup of turmeric tea. Next up, let's talk about how turmeric can work wonders for your skin. You might be surprised to learn that this golden spice isn't just for cooking. It's a powerhouse in skincare too. Thanks to its active compound, curcumin, turmeric is packed with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that can improve your skin's health and appearance. One of the best ways to harness these benefits is by making a turmeric face mask. It's super easy. Just mix turmeric powder with a thickening agent like yogurt or honey to form a paste. This mask can help with a variety of skin concerns. For example, if you're dealing with acne, turmeric's antibacterial properties can help reduce breakouts and prevent future ones. Plus, its anti-inflammatory effects can calm irritated skin and reduce redness. But that's not all. Turmeric can also lighten hyperpigmentation and dark circles, giving your skin a more even tone and natural glow. And if you're worried about aging, turmeric's antioxidants can help slow down the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by boosting collagen production and improving skin elasticity. Moving on to our third use case, joint pain relief. If you suffer from arthritis or any kind of joint pain, turmeric might just be your new best friend. The magic lies in curcumin, the active compound in turmeric which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that curcumin can be as effective as some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen for reducing pain and improving mobility, but without the nasty side effects. For instance, a study found that taking curcumin supplements significantly reduced pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis, making it easier for them to move around and perform daily activities. To get the most benefit, experts recommend taking high-quality curcumin supplements, ideally with black pepper extract, which enhances absorption. A typical dose is around 500 milligrams of curcumin twice a day. So if you're looking for a natural way to manage joint pain, turmeric could be a game changer for you. Just remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Also for your convenience, I link to a high-quality curcumin supplement below this video in the description. Now, let's talk about how turmeric can give your immune system a serious boost. You might be familiar with turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties, but did you know it can also enhance your body's defense mechanisms? The key player here is curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which has been shown to modulate the immune system in several beneficial ways. Curcumin works by interacting with various immune cells like macrophages, T cells, and B cells. These cells are crucial for identifying and neutralizing pathogens like bacteria and viruses. By boosting the activity of these cells, curcumin helps your body fend off infections more effectively. For instance, studies have shown that curcumin can enhance the body's antibody response, making it easier to fight off illnesses. One of the easiest ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine is by adding it to your meals or taking a high-quality supplement. For maximum absorption, look for supplements that include black pepper extract, which helps your body absorb curcumin more efficiently, just like the one we link to below this video. Whether you're mixing it into a smoothie, stirring it into a soup, or taking it as a supplement, turmeric can be a powerful ally in keeping your immune system strong and resilient. Next, let's explore how turmeric can benefit your brain health. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has shown some impressive effects on brain function and overall cognitive health. One of the standout benefits is its ability to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a type of growth hormone that functions in the brain. BDNF is crucial for maintaining healthy brain cells and promoting the growth of new neurons, which can help improve memory and learning. Studies have shown that curcumin can enhance memory and attention, particularly in older adults. For example, a study from UCLA found that participants who took a curcumin supplement experienced a 28% improvement in memory tests over 18 months compared to those who took a placebo. But that's not all. Curcumin also helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which are linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By lowering levels of beta-amyloid plaques and tau proteins, curcumin can potentially slow down or even prevent the progression of these conditions. So, if you're looking to keep your brain sharp and healthy, incorporating turmeric into your diet or taking a high-quality curcumin supplement could be a game changer. Next, let's quickly discuss some practical tips and recipes so you can truly start reaping turmeric benefits immediately. What about cooking with turmeric? This versatile spice can be used in a variety of dishes. Here are a couple of easy recipes. Turmeric rice, 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste. A handful of chopped cilantro, optional. Cook the rice as usual, but add the turmeric powder along with the water. Once done, fluff with a fork and garnish with cilantro. Turmeric smoothie. 1 banana, 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper, 1 cup of coconut water or almond milk. Blend all ingredients until smooth. This refreshing smoothie is perfect for a morning boost. If you're into DIY remedies, you'll love these simple yet effective turmeric-based solutions. Joint pain relief. Paste. 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a pinch of black pepper. Mix these ingredients to form a paste. Apply it to the affected area, cover with a cloth, and let it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing off. Make a cold symptoms relief tea. 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Juice from half a lemon. Honey to taste, stir all ingredients together and sip slowly. This tea can help soothe sore throats and alleviate cold symptoms. To maintain the potency of your turmeric, store it in an airtight container away from direct sunlight. When choosing high-quality turmeric products, look for organic options without any added fillers or artificial colors. Alright, before you start adding turmeric to everything, let's talk about some of the risks and hazards associated with its use. While turmeric is generally safe for most people, there are a few things you should be aware of. First off, consuming high doses of turmeric can lead to digestive issues like stomach upset, nausea, diarrhea, and even acid reflux. So it's best to start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. Some people might experience allergic reactions to turmeric, which can show up as skin rashes, hives, or even abdominal pain. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to stop using it and consult a healthcare professional. Turmeric has blood-thinning properties, which means it can slow down blood clotting. This is particularly important if you're on blood-thinning medications or have a bleeding disorder, as it can increase the risk of bruising and bleeding. If you have gallbladder issues, turmeric might not be your friend. It can exacerbate conditions like gallstones or bile duct obstruction. Similarly, there are rare cases where turmeric has been linked to liver damage, especially in people with pre-existing liver conditions. For those with hormone-sensitive conditions like certain types of cancer or endometriosis, turmeric might act like estrogen and potentially worsen these conditions. And if you're trying to conceive, be aware that turmeric might lower testosterone levels and decrease sperm movement, which could affect fertility. Another thing to watch out for is contamination. Turmeric and curcumin supplements can sometimes be contaminated with heavy metals or other toxic substances, so it's crucial to choose high-quality products. Lastly, turmeric can interact with various medications, including blood thinners, diabetes medications, and drugs that reduce stomach acid. These interactions can lead to serious health issues, so always consult with your healthcare provider before adding turmeric supplements to your routine. So, while turmeric has many benefits, it's essential to use it wisely and be aware of these potential risks. Always talk to your doctor if you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which turmeric use surprised you the most, or if you have any other unique ways to use turmeric. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.